Are you tired of chasing profits and constantly feeling like you're running in circles? I get it, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a faster way to become profitable? And no, it doesn't involve risky investments or get-rich-quick schemes. Today I'm revealing the fastest way to become profitable, and trust me, it's a game changer. This method can be applied to your business, side hustle, or even your personal finance strategy. Because at the end of the day, it all comes down to the same principles. So, if you're ready to break free from the profit roller coaster and start seeing real sustainable results, buckle up. Let's dive in. First things first, becoming profitable starts with a mindset shift. This is the foundation upon which all your financial success will be built. You need to stop focusing on revenue and start focusing on profit. Revenue is just the top line. Profit is what truly matters. It's not about how much money you bring in. It's about how much you keep after all the expenses are paid. This is the real measure of financial health. Think about it like this. You could be making a ton of money, but if you're spending even more, are you really profitable? The answer is no. Profitability is about efficiency and smart financial management. So, before you even think about increasing your income, you need to get your expenses under control. This is a crucial step that cannot be overlooked. That means taking a hard look at your spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut back. Every dollar saved is a step closer to profitability. Ask yourself, what unnecessary expenses can I eliminate right now? This could be anything from daily coffee runs to unused subscriptions. Do I really need that subscription? Sometimes we sign up for services we rarely use. Can I find a cheaper alternative for this service? Often there are more affordable options that provide the same value. What's really bringing me value? Focus on what truly benefits you or your business. This applies to businesses as well. Every expense should be scrutinized. Are there any unnecessary overhead costs you can cut? Reducing overhead can significantly improve your bottom line. Can you negotiate better rates with suppliers? Building strong relationships can lead to cost savings. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar added to your bottom line. Savings directly contribute to profitability. Whether you're running a business or managing personal finances, this is step one. Cut the fluff. Eliminate what you don't need. Streamline your expenses so your income exceeds your outflow. This is the essence of financial stability. It's not the sexiest part of the journey, but it's crucial for long-term profitability. Embrace this mindset shift and watch your financial health improve. Okay, so you've streamlined your expenses and you're ready to start boosting those profits. But where do you start? The next step is to identify your highest ROI activity. This is crucial because it helps you focus your efforts where they matter most. In other words, what's the one thing that's generating the most profit for the least amount of effort? This could be a specific task, a product, or even a client. For entrepreneurs, this might mean focusing on a product with the highest profit margin. It's about understanding which of your offerings is giving you the best return. Maybe you have multiple product lines, but one is clearly outperforming the others. This is where your attention should go. Instead of spreading yourself thin trying to promote everything, double down on your winner. This focused approach can lead to exponential growth. For freelancers, it's about identifying your highest paying client or skill. What services are clients willing to pay a premium for? Which clients are consistently paying you top dollar for your work? These are the clients you should prioritize. What skill set is in high demand and commands premium rates? Focus on honing these skills to attract more high-paying clients. Focus your energy on those areas. It's about maximizing your income with the least amount of effort. If you're working a job, it could mean asking, what activities get me closer to a promotion? What tasks are most valued by my employer? Is it taking on more responsibility? Or perhaps leading a high-visibility project? Is it developing a new skill that's in high demand within your company? Investing in your professional development can pay off significantly. Figure out what moves the needle the most and prioritize those tasks. This will help you stand out and advance in your career. The key here is to avoid spreading yourself too thin. Trying to do everything can lead to burnout and inefficiency. Don't try to be everything to everyone. It's better to excel in a few areas than to be mediocre in many. Focus your time and energy on the activities that are generating the most profit and ditch the rest. This will streamline your efforts and boost your productivity. Remember, it's about working smarter, not harder. By identifying and focusing on your highest ROI activities, you can achieve more with less effort. Now let's talk about how to accelerate your progress even further. The secret sauce? Small, consistent wins. That's right, you don't need to make massive, overnight changes to see results. In fact, it's often the small, incremental improvements that add up to the biggest gains over time. Start with quick, easy-to-achieve goals. For example, if you're starting a business, instead of waiting for the perfect launch, offer your product or service to a small audience first. Get feedback, improve, and scale from there. Or, if you're trying to cut back on spending, start by identifying 1 or 2 unnecessary expenses you can eliminate this month. Then, gradually work your way up to bigger savings goals. This approach helps you build confidence, momentum, and cash flow, all while avoiding analysis paralysis. It's easy to get bogged down in the details and overthink things, but the fastest way to profitability is to take action and adjust as you go. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Focus on making small, consistent improvements each day, and you'll be amazed at how quickly those wins add up. Want to take your profitability to the next level? Imagine being able to achieve more with the same amount of effort, or even less. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Then you need to start using leverage. Leverage is a powerful tool that can help you maximize your results without necessarily increasing your workload. Leverage is all about amplifying your efforts and achieving more with less. Think of it as a way to multiply your impact and efficiency. It's about working smarter, not harder. By leveraging the right resources, you can free up your time and energy for more important tasks. In the business world, leverage can take many forms. It's not just about financial leverage, it's also about leveraging time, technology, and human resources. It could be outsourcing tasks to virtual assistants or freelancers, automating repetitive processes, or even using specialized software to handle complex tasks. Using software and tools to streamline your workflow can save you countless hours and reduce the risk of human error. For example, if you're a freelancer who's constantly bogged down by administrative tasks, hiring a virtual assistant to handle those tasks could free up hours of your time each week. This allows you to focus on higher value activities that actually generate revenue, rather than getting stuck in the weeds of day-to-day operations. That's time you could be spending on higher value activities that actually generate revenue. Imagine the growth potential when you can focus on what truly matters. Or, if you're selling a product online, leveraging digital tools can be a game changer. Investing in digital advertising could help you reach a much larger audience than you ever could on your own. This can exponentially increase your sales and brand awareness. Yes, there's a cost associated with advertising, but if done correctly, the return on investment can be significant. The key is to measure and optimize your campaigns. But if done correctly, the return on investment can be significant. Imagine seeing your profits soar as a result of strategic advertising. The key is to identify areas where you can leverage other people's time, skills, or resources to free up your own time and energy. This is how you can scale your business effectively. This allows you to focus on your zone of genius, the things that only you can do, and delegate the rest. By doing so, you can achieve a level of success that would be impossible on your own. Finally, remember that becoming profitable isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. It's an ongoing journey that requires constant tracking, analysis, and adaptation. The key is to regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. Are your expenses still in check? Is your highest ROI activity still performing well? Are there any new opportunities for leverage that you haven't considered? This is where data comes in handy. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Monitor your website traffic, social media engagement, and any other relevant metrics that can give you insights into what's working and what's not. The more data you collect, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your business or personal finances. You'll be able to identify trends, spot potential problems early on, and make adjustments before they become major setbacks. Remember, the market is constantly changing, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. The only way to stay ahead of the curve is to be adaptable, open to new ideas, and willing to pivot when necessary. And there you have it, the fastest way to become profitable. Shift your mindset, focus on your highest ROI activities, stack small wins, use leverage, and adapt as you grow. These steps aren't just theory, they're practical and actionable. Now it's your turn to put them into practice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your fastest way to profitability? Let's discuss. Until next time, stay focused and stay profitable.